what do you know about Kyocera?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Kyo what?
Yeah, I've heard of them.
Oh, they make copiers, right?
Cell phones?
They make the really super sharp knives, right?
Kyocera. Everybody knows Kyocera.
Kyocera, that's how you say it.
Yeah, Kyocera.
That's the new sushi spot over off of 45th.
All right, yeah, Kyocera.
I've heard it's delicious.
Maybe you've heard of us, or maybe you haven't. So let us tell you exactly who we are. In 1959, Dr. Kazuo Inamori started a small manufacturing business in Kyoto, Japan, making ceramic components. With that, Kyocera Corporation was born. In 1969, Kyocera established its first U.S. subsidiary and soon after became the first Japanese manufacturer in California. As the technological revolution unfolded, Kyocera's advancements in ceramic semiconductor packaging contributed to the growth of what is now Silicon Valley. Today, Kyocera Corporation is larger than life, with over 265 companies in over 40 countries and over 75,000 employees. In North America, Kyocera International is headquartered in San Diego, California. We have offices from coast to coast, and we create products that make everyday life better, for consumers and for business. Did you know more than 100 Kyocera components can be found within products inside the average American home? And listen to this. Almost every cell phone in America has Kyocera components inside. It's true. Our products and solutions are literally everywhere, from the bottom of the ocean to the edges of our solar system. So, what else do you need to know about Kyocera? We innovate. Kyocera launched the world's first mobile color video phone, America's first CDMA slider phone, and the first mass-market waterproof phone. Kyocera also has over 18,000 issued patents worldwide, and over 3,000 of those were issued in the US alone. Did you know we also make ceramic knives and kitchen tools? Awesome ones, too. And we've been doing it for decades. What else does Kyocera do? We elevate. We improve quality of life through products like hip implants and our electronic components found in smart technology. We improve consumer safety with our heads-up display and our automotive components that create smarter, cleaner, safer vehicles. We improve business performance with rugged mobile phones that can survive the toughest conditions and with high-performance document equipment and printing devices. And we improve what's possible with cutting tools that enable faster, more efficient machining, and with 3D printing, Kyocera can make extremely complex parts that can't be made any other way. Kyocera's LCDs deliver exceptional performance, and our semiconductor packaging miniaturizes technology and helps to make the impossible possible. Supercomputers, airplanes, cars, LED lights, Kyocera helps to create all of these things and more. Kyocera also combines our cutting-edge technology with big ideas. We collaborate with customers who rely on us for decades of extensive knowledge to help facilitate breakthrough products and solutions. Kyocera is revolutionizing industries like automotive, medical, aerospace, electronics, and communications, using more than 200 different types of fine ceramics. Where conventional materials don't stand up to harsh environments, Kyocera's ceramic solutions thrive. That's just one of the reasons Clarivate Analytics named us one of the Derwent Top 100 Global Innovators. At Kyocera, we're also committed to helping people and the world around us. We advocate for the environment, from our global commitment to reducing gas emissions and energy consumption to our efforts to promote biodiversity conservation. Our activities are based on the Kyocera principle to do what is right as a human being. We also advocate for the betterment of society. Kyocera supports the Kyoto Prize, an international award established by Dr. Inamori honoring individuals who make significant contributions to science, technology, and the arts. So, there you have it. Now you know exactly who we are. We are Kyocera, and we're committed to building a better future through technology.